Hi all, this is a study regarding a conceptual study on spillover effect in Indian equity exchange traded fund. So as the title suggests, it is purely a conceptual study regarding a future proposed study regarding the Indian equity exchange traded fund. So before moving on to the details regarding the study, let's have a look upon the present scenario of Indian equity and other ETFs. And currently, if we evaluate the asset under management of ETFs in India, from 2009, from mere asset under management of 1,400, when up to 2021, the asset under management has grown up to 2,90,000. So this is around a compounded annual growth rate of 56%. So there is a substantial growth even though the ETF market in India is in infancy stage. I call it in infancy stage because it is around less than 20 years old, because the Nifty Bees ETF, the first Indian ETF, launched at the year 2001. Regarding the number of ETF schemes, this is the number regarding the both gold ETFs and other ETFs. It has grown from mere one ETF, that is in 2000, at the end of 2001. It has now grown up to 104 in 2021, a compounded annual growth rate of 28%. So this is the basics regarding the ETF industry in India. Now my study is corely interested in analyzing the spillover effect of return and volatility between equity ETFs in India and its benchmark index. So this study is purely regarding a conceptual matter of spillover effect. So spillover effect means, we can say in a simple sense, as a negative or positive impact experienced in one segment to another segment. So this study is regarding the spillover effect of return and volatility between the equity ETFs and its corresponding benchmark index. So such a study can gather information regarding whether there is a presence of contagion risk. The main research gap identified based on many reviews is that in Indian ETF market, especially equity ETF market, the studies are very low. Especially regarding the spillover effect, the studies are not rigorous. So this study identified there is a need for spillover effect study regarding the mean volatility risk between equity ETFs and its benchmark index. A international study done by Liu and other authors has been done in 2008. And there is also an interesting point. There is a possibility to know the directional causality between different segments of Indian equity exchange traded fund. For instance, there is a possibility of studying whether there is a spillover of return and volatility between broader index ETFs to sectoral ETFs, or whether there is a spillover between the broader index ETFs to world ETFs, like that. And also the speed and the magnitude of the spillover can be also analyzed in the future studies. So this is a main objective in the proposed study, and this conceptual paper is a substantial summary regarding the Indian equity exchange traded funds spillover effect. So thank you all.